Hey guys, okay, so I'm having a come to Jesus moment right now, and I was like, well, I definitely need to share this with someone other than myself, because I had a revelation and it was like, yes, I had to share it. So I was just having a conversation with someone who, I mean, I've been in this business for 2 years, and you have the people that you think believe in you, you know, like even if they're not going to 100% support, like trying products or whatever, you just know that without a shadow of a doubt they believe in everything that you believe you can become. And when they shoot you down or they minimize your dreams, you have to be strong enough to know that despite what they think, it's still going to happen. And yes, it sucks that this person that you knew was going to support you and was going to believe in you 100%, that everything that God promised you, it will be fulfilled. But even if they don't, you have to still believe that without a shadow of a doubt it's going to happen. And so you can add them to your why, kind of like that don't believe me, just watch type ordeal. But whatever you do, don't let it discourage you, don't let it bring you down. Call someone who will feed into you and bring life and speak life into you, that'll make you feel better in the moment, because if not, it will drain you. Because baby, I just got drained, and it was like, let me encourage somebody else, because it can be so discouraging for somebody who is supposed to be on your team to totally believe that what you're doing is a joke, even though they have no idea how much money you're making. But just being so humble, you don't even want to throw it in their face like, gee, do you know how much extra income I make, or how much I actually make from this business? So despite the fact that so many people that you thought were on your team aren't on your team, that's why you have the money team. You can do this thing. Like, it does not matter what they think, what they believe. It matters what you believe. And if you believe that this can happen and that it will sustain and that it will be, it's not temporary. So many people think that your success is only temporary and you need something to fall back onto because it won't be long before it's all gone. Don't even play into that. Realize that whatever you believe can happen. And there are people who have been in network marketing for 20 years plus who still actually are millionaires at this point. So it's all in what you believe and how you allow people to affect you and how you take what they say. So that's what I'm telling you. Do not let them discourage you. Don't do it. Don't do it. Call me. I will speak life into you, because regardless of what everybody else believes, and if they don't believe in you, I believe in you, and you have to believe in yourself. So that's my little spiel for today. Bye guys.